Choosing between Trading 212 and Interactive Brokers come down to simplicity versus power. Trading 212 is ideal for beginners and casual investors. It offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, a slick mobile app, and a low minimum deposit of just €1. It's regulated in the UK and EU, making it a safe entry point for retail traders. However, it lacks advanced tools, deep analytics, and broad asset coverage. Interactive Brokers or IBKR, on the other hand, is built for professionals. It supports over 8,500 tradable symbols, offers global market access, and includes powerful research tools, algorithmic trading, and margin flexibility. With a trust score of 99 and decades of reputation, IBKR is the go-to for serious investors, but its interface can be overwhelming for newcomers. So you choose Trading 212 if you want simplicity, fast onboarding, and mobile-first investing. Choose IBKR if you need global reach, advanced tools, and professional-grade control.